Ever pondered on the hidden health benefits nestled within the humble dandelion? Well, dandelion juice is a powerhouse of nutrition packed full of vitamins and minerals that promote a healthy body. Today, we're diving into the world of juicing, focusing on this underappreciated yet highly beneficial plant. First, take a moment to appreciate the dandelion. Often dismissed as a pesky weed, it's actually a nutritional treasure trove. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and loaded with calcium, potassium, and iron, dandelion is a natural multivitamin. It's a fantastic detoxifier and can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help manage diabetes. Now, onto the juicing process. The first step is to gather your dandelions. Look for fresh, vibrant green leaves. The best time to harvest is early spring when the leaves are tender and less bitter. Remember, always ensure the dandelions are free from pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Next, clean the dandelions meticulously. Soak the leaves in a bowl of cold water, gently swishing them around to remove any dirt or insects. Rinse them under running water and pat them dry. Once they're clean and dry, it's time to prepare them for juicing. Roughly chop the leaves and put them into a juicer. You can also add other fruits or vegetables for added flavor. Apples, celery, and cucumbers make excellent companions to the distinct taste of dandelion. Now, it's time to juice. Feed the dandelion leaves and your chosen fruits or vegetables into the juicer. Collect the juice in a glass or jug. For the best results, consume the juice immediately. It's a refreshing, healthy drink that's brimming with nutrients. To recap, dandelion juice is a nutritional powerhouse, packed full of vitamins and minerals. It's a natural detoxifier, aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and can even help manage diabetes. Making it is as simple as harvesting fresh, clean dandelions, preparing them for juicing, adding in your favorite fruits or vegetables, and using a juicer to extract the nutritious juice. So the next time you spot a dandelion, don't dismiss it as just a weed. Instead, consider the health benefits that it can bring to your life and how it can be transformed into a delicious, nutritious juice. Remember, good health often comes from the most unexpected places. If you've been enlightened by the health benefits of dandelion juice and you're keen on exploring more, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Join us in this health revolution by hitting that subscribe button. This way you won't miss out on our upcoming videos on more amazing health tips and tricks. So don't just watch, be a part of the change. Your journey to healthier living starts with a single click. Subscribe and stay tuned for a healthier, happier you.